What up, what up, what up? Welcome to another video vlog. Here we have Mr. Box. And today, what we have is, I bought a new car. I didn't want to record the whole buying it from or the owner or something, because I feel a little weird just taking out the camera and start recording when it's not my house or anything, and then they probably get a little weirded out or something. But I ended up buying a new car. It's a pretty cool car. It's a badass car, I think. Or what do you think?
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
For the year, it's pretty cool.
For the year, it's a 1993 Toyota. I'm already driving to pick up some parts for it. Well, it's not really. I mean, I guess it's a part. And I'm stuck in traffic, like always. But I don't know if you guys could tell. I'm still gonna pull over and show you guys the. I'm gonna pull over and show you guys the car, but I don't know if you guys could tell what car it is from this. Full digital, everything. I mean, for a 93, it's pretty cool. Everything works perfect. It's automatic, but that's the least of my worries. I don't know why I don't really care. All my other cars are stick, so having one automatic car doesn't really bother me or anything like that. And probably the best thing about this car is the motor that it has. It has 1JZ GTE twin turbo motor, so you guys probably already know what it is. It's not a chaser, so it's not a Supra. So
it's the ugly cousin.
It's the affordable cousin, the one that you could get. You know how they have the memes, the one that the girl of your dreams. This is the one you could get. But that's probably the best thing about the car, and this is why I bought the car. It was a good deal, and I mean, it had the badass motor, so we could do something with this. It's a completely stock. The motor's probably the best thing, and then it has working AC, so that's probably the second best thing to me. Pretty luxury, everything's pretty clean. Everything's there. Like, you could tell it's well taken care of in Japan.
Yeah.
From the motherland. Power folding mirrors, everything. But I'm gonna go pick up this part, and then I'm gonna park somewhere, pull over somewhere, and show you guys the rest of the car. I think it's a badass car. I'm pretty excited to start fixing with it and messing with it. I'm looking at parts for it already. You know, I think it's one of those things, you don't even get a car yet, or one car that you know you're gonna get in the next few days, and you just start searching before you even have the car. That's what happened to me. So I'm looking at things already to try and make it a little faster and more cool looking. So I'll show you guys in a bit the whole walk around on the car. And that was a clean ass Lightning right there. That's Mr. Boxer's goal right there, to own one day.
Oh yeah.
Little clean Accord.
Oh my, buy that shit.
Pretty clean. Picked up some speed. Pretty damn smooth. I can't see. We're going 111. You can't even tell. Look at that. Psych. That's in kilometers. What would it be, like 60?
I'm probably going like 60, 70.
Let's see. We're gonna do a little pull right now.
Hold on to your hats.
It's alright, I guess. It's not bad.
Pretty good.
Good thing about these motors is that very easily this thing will make some pretty good power. A couple bolt-ons, like a single turbo, I don't know, probably like 3,000 bucks. It should make 400, 450, I think, with like 3,000 bucks around there. Tune, ECU, little baby single turbo or something, and I'm gonna be eating up some kitties or Mustangs. But let's continue our journey. Quick pit stop at 7-Eleven. We need a little bit of energy. Got the goods. I want to try this mango. Supposedly it's good. And we got the set for life Merry Scratcher. Merry Christmas Scratcher. Hopefully I win. If I win, I'll probably get rid of this car and go get a Lambo. Chances of that are not good. I'm gonna pump gas. Number one. What the? Doesn't want to stay inside. By the way, I know it's filthy, but oh well. I'll wash it later on when I get home or something. What did she say?
Buckle your seatbelt.
So there's only one cup holder, but we opened up the glove box and we realized this looks like something goes there. Pretty cool.
It's not gonna hold it, but
well, I mean it's not, but you want to hold it in between your legs?
nah.
Back on the road. We got the goods. Hey, this little Nas mango, it's pretty good. It's not bad.
Trying to pick on some cars. You don't want it.
It seemed like he did. He sped up around the same time we did, so it's officially a race when you lock eyes. When you lock eyes, that means it's on.
Pull up next to him.
If we make eye contact, we're downshifting, boy.
He doesn't want this twin turbo madness. You don't want it.
Monica. Thingies. So here we have it. So this is it. 93 Toyota Soarer, which out here in the States is SC300. But like I said, the best thing about this one is that in Japan they come with a 1J twin turbo engine, which is way better than the one we have out here. And then out here they have the SC400, which is V8, but I mean, yeah, the one you want is this one. I got a pretty good deal on it. It's pretty clean. I mean, the 1J swap alone, the motor alone is like 4,000 to 5,000. So let's say if you have one in the States and you want to swap it to the 1J Toyota, to this turbo model engine, you're gonna spend like 4,000 to 5,000 in the motor. You're gonna spend another, I don't know, on a harness. You're still gonna need an ECU. By the time you swap it in and have it running, you're in it probably like 7,000 to 8,000, which I already know because I'm building my Supra and that's going way. It's getting out of hand with how expensive that thing's costing me. But here you guys have it. Damn. Like I said, I do have some plans for it. I'm looking for like a manifold in the single turbo, but something that I don't know how fast I'm gonna get to it. I want to make it look nice to begin with. I don't really care about the power right now, but I want to lower it. I do have suspension actually, because I had a Supra, I don't know, 2 or 3 years ago, another Supra, and I sold it, and I had bought coilovers for it, and I sold the car and I had the suspension at my mom's house, so I never gave it to the guy with the car, so I have it at home. And from what I'm looking up, the Supra suspension, this car and the Supra are identical when it comes to suspension, so it should fit, and I do have them at home now. So I'll probably be throwing them on, or trying to throw them on in the next few days. I'll probably just lower it, put the wheels, and make it look somewhat not nice to begin with, and then we'll go ahead and mess with the motor, but I want to do things right. I don't want to do like no Mickey Mouse shortcuts or ugly. I want to do things right with this one, not like the little Civic. I didn't care at all for it, so I mean it was whatever. But this one is a little more, I don't know, I like it a little more, so we're gonna do things right. But this is it, all stock, bone stock, factory wheels, which are ugly, but they're actually factory wheels. I didn't know, but it's pretty clean. I think the
burnout though.
I think it will. I think the biggest thing it is that it has is this thing, little oxidation, fading. I think this is the only fender that has it. The rest is dirty, but door handle. I do want to wrap it. I don't know if I'm gonna try and wrap it. I don't think I'm gonna try and wrap it in myself, but I do want to wrap it in a color that I have in mind. I think it'll look pretty badass. What do you think, Mr. Bach? What do you think? How did it ride?
It's pretty good. Typical Lexus.
Toyota, typical Lexus Toyota. And then this thing will plug into the OBD2 right here. Right nose. But yeah, it's not bad at all. We just went on a 2-hour ride to the valley to pick up some stuff, and she did perfect. No overheating. I don't see no leaks, nothing like that. I smell a little bit of oil burning. I don't know if it's the turbo or something, but I mean, it wasn't nothing crazy, but I mean, you could just see it's gonna need like a little bit of maintenance. And these, I'll probably replace the whole what's it called, intercooler and all that stuff. But yeah, what do you guys think about it? It's perfect. Perfect. I like it.
Check out that JDM battery.
Oh hell yeah.
Everything JDM, bro.
Pretty cool right hand drive. Obviously it's right hand drive, but like I said, the best thing about it is the motor that it has. Maybe later on in the future we'll go with a CD009 manual trans. Maybe later on, later, but first things first, we gotta make it look presentable and nice. Gotta give it the little look. It starts up perfect. Oh, let me take out the seat. Let me take out the key. The interior's a little dirty, but there's no rips at all. Oh, look at the rear seat. The rear seat's like no one ever sat back there. They took care of it. Whoever owned this thing in Japan took care of it for sure. Starts up perfect. Said everything works. AC. Oh yeah. I wish I could understand this. This has something to do with maintenance and all that, and the engine bay. This many kilometers this got done, this many kilometers this got done. Has 189,000 kilometers, which turns out to like what, 90, 100? I think it's like 90 or 100,000 miles, which is not bad. I mean, you see these Lexus out here running with like 200,000 miles and they're running strong. But let's go ahead and give you guys a little spin. Get in the car. Alright, let's see. You think I'm gonna do a burnout? Is there some sort of traction?
Power. We need all the power.
Let's see right now. Nah, it doesn't. I mean, it picks up decently quick for what it is. Once you're rolling, from what I've noticed, once you're actually like rolling around 30, 40, the turbo's already starting to spool up. It actually picks up pretty quick. When you're from a dead stop, it's not that fast, but once you're actually going, it's not bad at all. It's for being at 93, this thing will probably shock a lot of people for how quick it is once it's going. But I'm gonna go ahead and just wrap up the vlog. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys are excited, I'm excited for sure. We should get the wheels and suspension and all that. I have the suspension at home, so it should be lowered pretty within probably a week. The wheels shouldn't take me long to get. But yeah, go ahead and wrap it up right here. Comment, like, and subscribe. Say adios.